Welcome and Swagatam in the area of Maharshi Jayaprasadeshwar Gupta and its disciple Maharshi Jayaprakash Gupta, who was the disciple of Maharshi Kanna, the Kannada ashram. And I am again here to present the lecture series on research methodology. And today's topic is second draft. So let's talk about this. This is the most important and difficult part of the writing. Extreme care must be taken in writing second draft. One's convenient approach is to edit the draft, imagining that someone else has written it. Underpoints, jargons, weakness of the report have to be identified and revised. Overgeneralization of outcomes should be avoided. For example, Hermitian operators have real eigenvalues. Generalizing it as eigenvalues of operators are real or concluding that to have real eigenvalues, operators should be Hermitian are incorrect. Similarly, complex analytic functions satisfy Cauchy-Riemann condition. It does not mean that functions satisfying Cauchy-Riemann condition should be analytic. If you have introduced any graphs and tables, discuss it in the texts. Attention must be paid to the arguments made, logical flow of work presented, the quality of supporting evidences and conclusion drawn. Do this in each chapter. Don't do the entire second stage at a single sketch. Give sufficient time between revisions of two consecutive chapters. During the break time, think over the revision made in the previous chapter or section. Most importantly, grammar must be checked and rechecked. A careful spell check must be made. Use simple words as far as possible. Indecisive words such as somewhat, rather, perhaps, etc. should be avoided. Usage of some particular words repeatedly, for example, very, invariably, extraordinary, should be avoided. Expression such as it seems, there may be, putting, since, etc. should be replaced by appropriate equivalent words. Style, presentation and grammar can be improved by asking your friends, colleagues to read and give their critical comments, suggestions and correct English grammar. In some universities, the report is first read by an English teacher. He will correct the grammar and give suggestions. After this, only a researcher can submit their thesis. Complicated and lengthy sentences have to be written and broken. Similar sentences or sentences conveying same information must be removed. Check whether the words used clearly convey exactly the meaning intended. Here is a statement given by S. Chandrasekhar, that is, I always sought to present my findings in as elegant, even literary a form as possible. I select some writers in order to learn. For example, I read Henry James or Virginia Woolf, and I don't simply read the text as a novel. I see how they construct sentences, how they construct paragraph, how one paragraph goes into other, and so on. Published in Current Science, 1994, page number 501. Again, B.S. Warrior says, there is one clear distinction between an article and in a thesis in use of vocabulary. You must find that authors of popular writings make use of synonyms to remove monotony. For example, instead of repeating the word teaching, they may use coaching, training, schooling, tutoring, education and instruction, ignoring the fine differences in the shades of meaning. So with this, I would like to end this topic, this part of topic here, and we will again talk next part of this topic in the next lecture. So Jai Shri Sitaram, Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Sankat Mochar Hanuman.